Selva. Day by day we are uploaded electronics and computer laptop technical videos. Okay, Substrate Selva Solutions. Today we are see automatic repair. This is different kind of issues comes. Now we are what we do. This automatic repair. This is additional one for system 32 files. We have already in description. Go and download it. Okay, just copy to replace the C drive for in this your hard disk. Just go regedit, command button regedit, import file, and even the description files. Go and copy Windows 10 and Windows 11 both are is there. Copy Windows this is 11. So I copy Windows 11 file and copy to paste here C drive under Windows system 32 file is there. Just here paste. Okay, I am already copied. Now we are paste. Then wait several minutes or few minutes and complete after once refresh here and skip. Try again once queue or skip. Just skip. Do and do this all current folder. Just skip it. Just skip. Wait few minutes. So automatically after refresh it. Just refresh and everything are close and open your restart your computer. Problem solved. Suppose solutions. Second, continue on this level. Wait a few minutes. Yes, button. Yes. Password fulfill it. 1, 2, 3. Thank you friends.